Where's your puck? Don't you knock my camera over, I'll kick your ass. Hey, my name's Malcolm, and today we're going outside. Okay, today we are going to do a test and review on the Ozark Trails Kayaking Backpack. This is the 20-liter version. I think it's the only size that they even make. So I'm going to go and put some clothes inside this and throw it outside in a rainstorm and see if it stays waterproof. I have this hoodie that I'll put in here. Open it. And a couple t-shirts. A pair of sweats. And a pair of socks. We'll roll it up, leave it outside for a bit, and see how it does. Croc Gang! We should make that into a hashtag. Croc Gang. Alright, we golden now. Let's go outside. This is like the first rainstorm we've gotten like all summer, and it's just been thundering and lightninging all weekend, which is why we didn't actually end up going to Jackson Hole. If you watched our video from last week, we were supposed to go to Jackson Hole do whitewater rafting, but instead we're stuck in town and doing a review. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this out here and see how it holds up from all the rain and all that. Alright, so now that we're done with that rainstorm, let's open up the bag here and see if the clothes are dry. Yeah, socks seem to be dry. Shirt seems to be dry. The sweats seem to be dry. The other shirt seems to be dry. And the hoodie's dry. It is a roll top style bag or backpack. And what you will do is roll it towards the front side of the backpack. That way the little bulge of it isn't poking you in the back and making it uncomfortable. And then you just take the two clips like this, and there you go. Your backpack's ready to go. It is a 20-liter backpack, like I said before. You can actually fit quite a bit of stuff in this. Yes, it does have the shoulder straps, so you can carry it just like a backpack, but you also have this one strap, like so, to where you can hang it, you know, on a tree or whatever you want to do with it. Throw it over your shoulder and have it like a bag like this, or you can put it, you know, over your head if you want to. Carry it that way. It also has this zipper pocket here on the front, right there, and that's kind of not a very good zipper in my opinion, because I did use it one time and I had some cameras and stuff like that in here, and it made the zipper part a little bit tight, so when I pulled it, it was a little bit stuck, and I pulled on it and the zipper broke off. So it's very cheap aluminum. Up here you have these 6 buckles and straps for being able to tie it down to your kayak or canoe or whatever kind of boat that you're doing or boating on. You also have a bungee strap system here on the front, so you can put maybe your tent or whatever else kind of items you want to strap to the front of this. And yeah, it's obviously waterproof, and I definitely demonstrated that with the crazy rainstorm that passed through. And yeah, not a bad bag for $32 over at Walmart. They also have a camo version of this, but in my opinion, I feel like I would rather have the red version, because if it does go overboard out on the water, it's very easy to see and find because it's a bright red color, and it'll be less likely of you to lose all of your stuff and the bag with it, because it's very bright. And I do believe this bag only weighs about a pound. You could probably really pack some weight into this thing and be totally fine. For a budget dry bag or kayaking backpack, this is a great backpack to start out with. Or if you're on a budget, $32 at Walmart, not too shabby. I recommend getting it. It's obviously waterproof. I've dumped it in a river before with cameras in it, and none of them got wet, so it'll save you some money later on down the road. That is my test and review on the Ozark Trails kayaking backpack. You can pick this up at Walmart or off of the Walmart website. If this was a helpful test and review for you, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more content, make sure you subscribe. We post weekly, and we will see you in the next video.